Mama, my bubble. Bubble.
You want some bubbles?
Yes.
I'm not sure where they're at.
Bubble. Bubble.
Hey, Seth.
Bubble.
Oh, he's probably not gonna do it.
Bubble.
I hear you. Put your hands on your head. Put your hands on your nose. Put your hands on your ears. Put your hands on your tummy.
Yeah.
Yeah, and clap. Clap. Yay!
Yes.
All right.
Hey, Seth.
Bubble.
Okay, you still want bubbles.
Bubble.
Say bubbles, please.
Say, bubbles, please. Can I see that? What is that?
And cheese.
What is that?
And eat.
Yeah, let me see. Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you. Ooh, you hungry?
Yes, that.
Wow, you're eating some your old bread. Okay.